Chopra. Now, shooting a December cover with her was a no-brainer. We cannot think of a more exciting cover girl than her. Our December issue is about people who have taken risks and, in Priyanka's own words, walked solitary paths to become giants in their fields. And of course, Priyanka is the perfect choice to lead them all. In fact, I'd like to ask the store manager, Swapnil, to welcome her with a small bouquet. And without pulling this out too long, I'm going to hand it over to our star here. Priyanka, if you could tell us what it was like to shoot with Grazia.
Good evening, everyone. First and foremost, it's always lovely to come to a Reliance store. For me, I'm like a child in a toy shop because I'm a techie and all my favorite gadgets are always in all the Reliance stores. So मैं आते आते ढूंढती हूँ कि मुझे अगला नई चीज़ क्या खरीदनी है. So I'm very happy to be here. Thank you so much, Nikhil bhai, for having me as always. I have to say, Grazia is a very, to me at least, a very fashion-forward magazine for this country. And to be on that December cover was lovely. We had so much fun in the shoot. It was very collaborative. We brought together, looks. It was just creative, and I think that's why it turned out as fun as it has. Because we just all borrowed somebody's something, somebody's shoes, somebody's jacket, and put together stuff. And I think eventually that's what fashion is about, feeling good in whatever you're comfortable in. So I'm very happy and grateful to be on the December cover for Grazia.
Thank you for those very kind words. And I'm going to now ask you to formally unveil our cover. Can I ask you to please sign the cover? We're being very optimistic. We have a few customers here. We want to do the small activity. So I just wanted to ask all of them that what gadget do they think is Priyanka's favorite gadget?
Okay, since this is a game we are playing, I'm very serious about my gadgets, as you all know. I don't mess around when it comes to all my gadgets. Yes, आप क्या सोचते हैं? मेरा favorite gadget क्या है? मेरा laptop. सुना है ये पहले ना कहीं? झूठे कहाँ सुना है? कैसे पता? Correct. मैं अपने laptop के बिना नहीं जी सकती. It's my most favorite gadget.
We just have a small gift for you. So
come on stage.
I want to give you something.
Sorry, मेरी आवाज़ बैठी हुई है.
We'll keep it open for the press now. Thank
You
you.
can just ask.
No questions from the press? You're letting me be? ऐसा कैसे हो गया? आज अच्छे मूड में हूँ, माइक को तो पास कर. No questions? It's okay. I'm very happy with that.
Priyanka, hi.
आ गया.
Yay. I'll start it with quite an obvious question, but you've shot so many covers. If you had your own magazine and if you had to put someone on the cover, how would you style that person and who would you want to put?
I think the one person, first how I would like to style people on my cover is I think it's very important to have a personality of your cover girl or your cover person. It's extremely important that a picture speaks about who they are rather than trying to put them in a mold of something. And if I had to make someone my cover girl, let's see. Wow, I have so many. A female or a male?
Anything you want.
I would like to make Amitabh Bachchan my cover. I think he's an all-time amazing, sexy cover guy.
And what about a couple, if you had to put a couple?
Who?
A couple on the cover.
Wow. A couple. Me and my mystery man. Whenever we find out who it is and when I'm ready to talk about it, because I think that'll be the best cover.
Okay, perfect.
Hi Priyanka.
Hi.
Latika from 9XM. Firstly, congratulations for winning the award 2 days back in Stardust for Best Actress for Maricom.
Thank you.
But you were missing from the event, and on the same day, you even tweeted a selfie with your mom, and a tweet on politics is an art. So, can I know what the reason was?
I do a lot of vague, various things. What I needed to say, I said. And what you need to interpret, you need to interpret. It was as simple as that.
Okay, so 2014 has been a great year for you. So, what are you expecting from 2015?
Obviously, हर साल हम चाहते हैं कि एक दूसरा साल एक से बढ़कर एक हो. I have some really interesting films that I'm doing, which I'm looking forward to. Dil Dhadakne Do, Bajirao, Madam Ji. And on top of that, I'm entering into some really new, interesting ventures when it comes to my music, when it comes to my company, and a few things that I'm doing. So I think 2015 for me will be a year of change, a year of evolution. Anyway, I try and do that always, कि थोड़ा change करती रहूँ मैं अपने आप को grow करती रहूँ. But next year I'm taking a lot of new steps in a lot of new directions. Producer भी बनी हूँ. So I'm excited about the new things that I'm taking on.
But if you don't mind me asking, why did you miss out on the award which you were supposed to be done on that?
I still got it, no? Umang went and took it. It's okay.
Hi Priyanka, how are you?
Hi.
What are your New Year plans?
I'm going with my family and my friends. We have a house outside of Bombay. अब मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ? तुम लिख दोगी, फिर परेशानी हो जाएगी. तो I'm going out of town with my family and friends. 4.5 day का holiday है. मेरे पास 4.5 day. Very important.
Oh, enjoy. Bhavna, hi. This is Sunita from India TV. Oh, sorry, Priyanka. मैं तुझसे बात कर रही थी. Priyanka, hi. Priyanka, sorry.
भावना कितना impression छोड़ा है तुमने सोचो अपने सवाल से या जवाब से?
मैं एक्चुअली मुझसे बात कर रही थी इसलिए दैट्स प्रियंका हाय दिस इज सुनीता फ्रॉम इंडिया टीवी. प्रियंका ये प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है, जाहिर सी बात है, फिर भी ये सवाल आपसे जरूर बनता है. पेशावर में जिस तरह से बच्चों की हत्या की गई है आतंकवादियों की द्वारा, तो आप क्या कहेंगी एज अ सेलिब्रिटी, एज अ वुमन?
मैंने लिखा भी था इसके बारे में. आई थिंक कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं ज़िंदगी में जो हमने एटलीस्ट अपनी इस ज़िंदगी में देख पाए हैं, जिनके बारे में शब्द नहीं होते. एंड मुझे याद है आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग दैट डे, मैं लाउंज में बैठी थी एयरपोर्ट पे एंड आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर माय फ्लाइट एंड आई जस्ट केप्ट वाचिंग टीवी एंड I just could kept crying. मतलब I had no explanation, no words. कावर्ड्स कहें, विम्स कहें, कौन ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो किसी भी चीज़ के नाम पे, चाहे वो रिलीजन हो, चाहे वो भगवान हो, चाहे वो किसी की चीज़ के नाम पे आप बच्चों से कैसे लड़ाई लड़ सकते हो, वो बात समझ में नहीं आई मुझे थोड़ी सी. एंड आई थिंक इट्स एक्सट्रीमली पेनफुल. ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए ये काला धब्बा है ये. एंड चाहे कोई भी रीज़न हो, बहुत सारे रीजंस होते हैं. लोग अपने एक्शंस को जस्टिफाई करने के लिए बोलते हैं कि इस वजह से हमने ये किया या उस वजह से हमने किया. कोई भी वजह जस्टिफाई नहीं करती कि आप 100 से ज़्यादा बच्चों को पॉइंट ब्लैंक शूट करते हैं. इट्स स्पीचलेस. थैंक यू.
Priyanka, coming back to you again, just a couple of days ago, you were sort of dragged into a little bit of a controversy with regards to the spa in Lokhandwala and Versova, basically. Any clarification you would want to give on your part?
I've clarified it many times. I think you should ask the cops in around the area. It's a case that is ongoing at the moment. It was a place, my place, which I gave out on rent. हम लोग tenants के घर में जाके check तो करते नहीं हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं. But we are law-abiding citizens, and as of now, the spa is running. So obviously the police have not stopped it. So whatever they tell us to do, we'll do. As of now, nothing has happened. It's still statutory. Anything else?
Hi, so we are just gonna call like 5 online winners on stage and get a picture click with you. Do you have any last questions? Does anyone want to ask a question to Priyanka?
I just want to know that how is it experiencing coming to Reliance Digital store?
मैंने तो पहले ही बोल दिया था मेरा favorite होता है.
Today.
Whenever I walk into the Reliance store ना, I think निखिल भाई सबसे ज़्यादा stress लगने लगते हैं. क्योंकि उनको पता है कि मेरी नज़र जहाँ जाएगी उनको वो गिफ्ट देना पड़ेगा मुझे. तो आज मैं चलते चलते बता दूंगी आपको मेरी नज़र किस चीज़ पे पड़ रही है. Thank you so much to all of you for coming. It's been wonderful. Thank you.
5 online
ये
customers to
photos
please
ले लो.
come up. I think we're done. Priyanka, thank you so much for coming. It's been a wonderful evening, and thank you for taking the time out from your very busy schedule. And happy holidays. I hope you have a happy.